And now I actually have 2 scallops when I unfold it and put it on. That makes a nice pattern for me. Whoops. And as you can see, I've actually already marked this cake. When I covered this cake, I marked it with a toothpick right here. You can also tell that when I covered this cake, I didn't do a very good job. I didn't quite make it all the way down to the bottom. Guess what? It's going to be covered by a fabric pleat, so you're not going to see that. Okay, I also want to do the fabric pleating to continue along this 7-inch. So the rest of this pattern that I had goes around the 7-inch, and I want to do this and cut it in half also. So we're just going to fold it in half, just like we did with the 12-inch. And make it even. There we go. Okay, so I folded it in half. And then I also want to scallop with this, but you know, I think I'm going to want to just start high, come down, and the bottom point will be the halfway point, and then come back up again on the other side. So I want to start at the same point this one was. So I'm going to take this, and I want to start at the same spot up here where I started. And then when I come down, I want to come down about as low as this one, maybe a hair lower. And again, if you've got something with a nice curve, you can actually put a cake round on here, but I'm just going to freehand it. And come down. Did I do that right? I actually did it backwards. Let's see. Yeah, I did it backwards. You're supposed to start on the non-folded side. Okay, that's okay. Let's see. Open it up, and I go, uh-oh, I got the point up here. The point is supposed to be up here. So I just drew it backwards, that's all. It's okay. Just flip it over and do it on the other side. Not a big deal. It's supposed to be the side without the fold. Okay, so we're going to draw a nice little arc. It's going to come down right through the tape. Okay, now it's right. Wherever you want the center to be is where the fold should be. Okay, when I open it up, then you can see how it's going to go around. And the lowest point will be at the center mark over here. Okay, so now I've got this is my 7-inch, and then this is my 12-inch, and I'm ready to start my fabric pleating on my base tier.